Do you use SurveyMonkey to send surveys to your customers or contacts? Well, with Constant Contact, you can now insert a button to your SurveyMonkey surveys right into your Constant Contact emails. Once inserted, your contacts will be able to get to your survey from your email with just one click. In this short video, we'll show you how it's done. To get started, click the More block and then drag the SurveyMonkey block where you want it to appear in your email. Once you've inserted the block, click on it and then choose Edit. A pop-up will display asking you to connect your SurveyMonkey account to Constant Contact. Click Connect and then log in to your SurveyMonkey account. Now that your account is connected, click to edit your block once more and then choose the survey you want to insert in your email. Once you're finished, you should have a button in your email that is automatically linked to your SurveyMonkey survey. As your responses start coming in, you'll be able to see a report right in Constant Contact showing you your survey results. And that's how easy it is to include SurveyMonkey surveys in your Constant Contact emails.